The Fariñas siblings of Ilocos Norte have a strong biking power. These Politiko children of former Ilocos Norte Representative Rudy Fariñas have proven it when Ilocos Norte 1st District Representative Ria Fariñas, Provinciano Co-Party List Representative Rudy Cesar Baby Boy Fariñas I, and Provincial Board Member Rodolfo Christian Jr. Fariñas III went on a 35-kilometer bike ride. The Politiko siblings are now using their biking power by joining charity fun rides. They first did it in Burgos, Ilocos Norte. They did it again for the Sangguniang Kabataan of Vintar. The Politikos had to wake up early. Proceeds of the biking event will be used to buy internet load to help students in their online schooling. So it was all worth it.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.